All right, here we go. 2020 Escalade ESV Platinum. Wow. Even though I'm in an ESV, this 6.2 still pushes this thing. All right, here we go. We're gonna slap shift it. It's not precise in terms of shifting, but I mean, it's there. And it downshifts pretty quickly. I'm gonna put in second, give it some gas. Here we go. Woo! That's 420 horsepower for you, jeez. Whew. And the ride is tame. It's not, now I've got the seat straight up, so it's not the most comfortable seating position to be in, but I mean, it rides level, let me say that. It's very, very tamed. And cabin noise, even with that roaring 6.2 liter, is very, very limited. Most of what I can hear is actually just the wind, and I can hear it ever so slightly. And if I listen for the engine, I have to really, really try and find it because it's barely noticeable. And to the regular person, it's probably not going to be noticeable. Just cruising. Braking is very solid. Yeah, I can't hear the engine at all. I think I can hear a belt or something, but other than that, I can't hear anything. And it's like as soon as I give it throttle, the engine kind of wakes up again from idle. And it's just roaring. Nothing overbearing, it just sounds good. And the leather in these is very, very comfortable. I mean, I wouldn't expect anything less from an Escalade, but it's something that needs to be mentioned. We're gonna open it up again. I love that exhaust note. That's one thing that I remember from the older body style Escalades and Yukons with the 6.2 liters. They have the best exhaust. It just rumbles. It's just strong and beefy. We're gonna see how it takes this back road. So far, so good. I think Cadillac's done, and honestly, the whole GM lineup has done a really good job in making it less noticeable when you're driving a Tahoe as opposed to a Suburban, or a Yukon to a Yukon XL, or an Escalade to an Escalade ESV. They all ride the same, and they all, have that same feel to it. I don't feel like I'm driving a limo. Now this does sit up higher, so I'm feeling about every bump I hit, but it's not uncomfortable. I just feel like I'm gently being rocked. And really the only comfort that's kind of not there is just when I hit bumps, it's coming from my head because I've got this giant head cam on with this iPhone 11. Other than that, it's not harsh at all. Nothing I'd complain about. So that's my review of the 2020 Cadillac Escalade ESV Platinum. All right, today we're going to be demonstrating how to automatic park your 2020 Cadillac Escalade ESV. So we're going to have it start searching for a parking spot. We're going to go over to the screen right here. Going to hit that button. See what'll come on. There it is. And we're going to tell it to search for a spot perpendicularly on the left side. Let me see if I can get it right there in between those XT4s. So we're going to stop, put it in reverse. And there it is, turn it by itself. Oh, I had it in neutral, oops. And there you have it.